Welcome to another episode of Questions, Comments, and Concerns, where we delve into some of our common questions we get from our client meetings. We're fastly approaching the end of the year, and you may have seen a little bit of activity in your accounts, and you may be wondering some of what we're doing, buying and selling. I want to talk to you about tax loss harvesting. Thomas, take us through a little bit about what this is and what they might be seeing in their accounts.
Yeah, so tax loss harvesting, it's really a powerful tool to be able to try to minimize our clients' taxes, and essentially where we can take accounts where they've experienced gains, investment gains, and we can sell investments that have experienced losses to offset those gains and really try to minimize the taxes that our clients pay. And so, Greg, why is that important in our clients' portfolios?
We're trying to maximize total return, right? And so what we find during the year are the different changes we make to the portfolios. Towards the end of the year, now sometimes we have some gains in the account, sometimes we have some losses. We're trying to offset those so that it minimizes that tax consequence to the client. Therefore, it helps their total return.
Yeah, it really important, especially if we're trying to focus on long-term portfolio growth. Now, there's another couple items that I think maybe we want to be aware of, or what are some of the pitfalls that we can encounter when we're looking at tax loss harvesting?
Yeah, so number one is we're trying to avoid a wash sale rule. What that means is when we sell a security, we can't repurchase it for 30 days, the exact same security. The government allows us to say, okay, you can do something similar but not identical. So we just don't want to, we want to avoid that wash sale rule. The other thing is too, it's just pure diversification. In our asset allocation modeling, we want to make sure that what we replace that security that we sell, we want to make sure that's similar, but can't be identical. So two things: avoid the wash sale rule, and also stay pretty current on our current asset allocation model.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think, again, if they're seeing activity, those are typically what we're going to be looking at here at this time of year. And so if there's any questions about any activity going on, please give us a call, and we'll be happy to explain what we're doing and why.
That's right. Reach out. You'll see some activity towards the end of the year. If you haven't, it could be that there's just no gains or losses we're trying to offset.